The personality of Ala Hazrat alayhi rahmah was a symbol of a profound love for the blessed Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The intensity of the love of Ala Hazrat alayhi rahmah for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam may be realized by reading his poetic masterpiece entitled Hadai Ke Bakshi. He rahmatullah alayhi has composed poetic line in praises of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam from the bottom of his heart. He never wrote any poem in flattery of any worldly leader, because he had adopted submission and devotion solely for the blessed Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam with heart and soul. Ala Hazrat alayhi rahmah, the reviver of Sunnah, eradicator of Bidah, scholar of Sharia, guide of Tariqa, Allama, Maulana, Al-Haj, Al-Hafiz, Al-Shah, Imam Ahmad Raza Khan, alayhi rahmatur Rahman, was once invited for a meal. The food had been served, but all those who were present there were waiting for Imam Ahmad Raza Khan, alayhi rahmatur Rahman, to begin eating. And this is also the manners as well. When you have some pious people in your food mat, or some religious personality on your food mat, then don't start food before him. Always wait for them. My dear Islamic brothers, then what happened? Picking up a piece of cucumber, he ate it. Then he ate the second and the third. Following suit, the guests also stretched their hands out towards the container of cucumber. But Ala Hazrat alayhi rahmah stopped everyone and asked for all the cucumbers to be given to him. Allahu Akbar. Therefore, he ate all the cucumber served on the dining mat. Everybody was shocked. The Sheikh rahmatullah alayhi would normally eat very little, but had unexpectedly eaten all the pieces of cucumber, leaving the guests astonished. When asked about eating all cucumber, the Honorable Sheikh Imam Ahmad Raza Khan, alayhi rahmatur Rahman, explained the first piece was bitter, and so was the second and the third. Since eating cucumber is a sunnah of the beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and this cucumber was bitter, I did not want anyone to spit out the bitter cucumber. मुझको मीठे मुस्तफ़ा की सुन्नतों से प्यार है, इंशाअल्लाह दो जहां में अपना बेड़ा पार है. My dear Islamic brother, look at the love of Ala Hazrat alayhi rahmah to the beloved sunnah of the beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ala Hazrat could tolerate everything against him, but he could not tolerate even a minor form of disrespect or blasphemy against the honor of the beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. May Allah Azza wa Jal guide us also to follow the footsteps of Imam Ahmad Raza Khan, alayhi rahmatur Rahman. Keep watching Madani Channel.